Hi everybody, it's Lisa from the House of Jane. I thought I would do a quick video on some jewelry I received. One of the reasons I started this channel was to do unboxings, obviously, but to also showcase small businesses. Not necessarily the big, large businesses that have the, 1,000 or 1,000,000 subscribers to their subscription box. So as this channel evolves, I have come in contact with all sorts of companies. And last month on Instagram, I saw this young girl from Pennsylvania. Her company is called September Sun Crafts, and she makes jewelry. And she had an amazing sale. So I bought one item knowing I was going to get 5 because she had a really good deal going on. But I didn't know what the other items would be. I just knew one pair of earrings I requested. So this is the box she sent me last month. And I like her little kitty cat, or yeah, it looks like a kitty cat or a mouse. She also put it on the front. She packaged everything really nicely. And let me tell you, I was blown away by the contents I received. It was way more than what I expected. And so let me show you first what I initially fell in love with and what I wanted. Because like I said, this was a surprise kind of thing. Some promotion she was having. So I wanted these earrings made out of hemp. And she wrote me a little note. They're called Hemp Teardrop earrings with volcanic stone, just for you. You know, when you can make someone feel special. Aren't those pretty? You have a really good business model when you make someone feel special. I love them. So I'm going to put them on right now. I love little teardrops. I love unique pieces of jewelry. I always wanted to make jewelry, but I don't know how, so I buy it from people. You guys use bacitracin when you put on your earrings? I do, because it makes it go in much smoother. And God, I should have brought a mirror. Maybe I'll put them on. Come on. You know, since I haven't been working in the office, I've been wearing less jewelry. She's gorgeous. Her name is Ash, by the way. She has a Instagram channel, and I think she sells on Etsy. Should have been more prepared. But she looks like maybe she's early 20s. Gorgeous. Gorgeous earrings. I mean, it's just like my style. And if you like them, she'll make them for you. So, because she's that good, she's that friendly, she's definitely a people pleaser. Alright, what else did Ash send me? Woohoo! I'm telling you, I opened this, I was screaming in my kitchen. I was so happy. She sent me this gorgeous necklace. I took it out of the packaging. And I just trusted her. I just communicated with her a little bit over direct messaging. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And I was literally just in my kitchen, just screaming like, holy crap. It's like she knew what I would love. Look at that. It's delicate. I mean, granted, I know it's not sterling silver. It's real sterling silver would cost a lot of money. But it sure is pretty. Yeah. And matching earrings. So I'm just going to hold it up to my ear. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So I can wear either, but the set is going to be just beautiful. Then there's more. There's more. She made a bracelet. The little fish. What'd you say about the bracelet? So it's a lava stone, black onyx, and green aventurine bracelet with goddess charm. That was a bonus. And then there's more. Uh-oh, one of them fell in the bag. She sent me more earrings. Put on a little card so you can see it. Isn't that gorgeous? These are Howlite pointed earrings. Again, they look like bone. And then her friend threw in, her friend has a shop, sours, sellables, and tea lights. This is a little potion bottle. Where is it? Glass vial with dried roses and natural crystal shards. And tea lights. Who doesn't love some tea lights? So I don't know how this video is going to be because I'm in my back patio and I look like a ghost in the monitor. But I am kind of pale. I don't really, I mean, I get out in the sun. These are two tea lights. Beautiful. But I'm really pale. I try to protect my skin because you won't guess my age. Oh, I'm going back to this silver necklaces. Those are Jasper stone earrings with silver plated leaves and a matching Jasper stone necklace. So that was what's in that package. And she sent me some stickers. I'll probably put them on my sewing machine. And this is her business card, September Sewing Crafts. That's where you can find her on Instagram. So I highly recommend you go to her Instagram channel and just look at her stuff. Really gorgeous jewelry. She's trying really hard. I'm sure she has a ton of sales. She has really nice stuff. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like and subscribe, please. It would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers, and you know, I watch stuff. I look at the internet. You know, these stupid places on Instagram. You can go sub for sub and this and that, and I refuse to do that to get subscribers. I'm not going to go to random people and go, sub me and I'll sub you back. You know, on Instagram and stuff like that. That's not the purpose for me to have a channel. And I just, I want to, I subscribe, me personally, I subscribe to people that I love their content and I find it interesting and they seem like nice people. And obviously, I like watching unboxings, and I'm a sewer, so I have, and I quilt, and I like watching quilting videos. I am going to have a sewing video coming up on making something that's really easy, that even if you're not a sewer, even if you don't have a sewing machine, you can make by hand sewing if you want. Straight line stitches, it's a surprise, because I gotta do it before I post it. So that's coming out in the next few weeks. And that's about it. So like, subscribe, and if you're not watching, if you don't have a good show to watch on TV, I highly recommend Ozark. It's on Netflix. I am glued to Ozark. It's the only show I want to watch right now. So if you need a good show to binge on, check out Ozarks. Not Ozarks, Ozark. And tell them Lisa sent you. Anyway, take care, guys. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, hit that red subscribe button. You know you want to. Bye.